you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh, I got it! You're a fucking idiot. You don't fucking hit me with that. You fucking idiot. There's nothing. Say sorry, dickhead. Say sorry.
You fucking do
Look,
it.
I didn't do it. There's nothing. Hey.
Fart, I'll knock you out.
I won't fart, but if I can make you say blue, then I will fart. Alright?
Okay.
Alright. What colour is the grass?
It's green.
What colour is the road?
Black.
I made you say it.
Black?
Yeah, I made you say it.
You said blue.
I made you say it. Fucking dickhead.
The goggles are the best. Mike bought them for $2.50. They still got, if you have a look closely, they still got the what do you call it?
tag on it,
The
yeah.
tag on it.
Wait, where's the icicles? Do we not have them?
We haven't made anymore. One of them broke and then we stopped making them. Yeah.
Oh man, it's hot.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Someone put fucking shitload of salt in that.
That's a salt, brother!
You doing? Huh? Give me my food! Fuck off, it's mine! Give me my food! That's mine, God! What are you doing?
I'm going to pretend to put red wine into his fuel tank, but the hose is running to the middle of the car into a bucket.
What do I do? Dob you in?
Go dob me in.
Alright. Jim. I see he's been trying to call you. Yes. Oh, no, he's yelling out. He's out the front.
What are you filming?
Hey?
What are you filming? What has it done? What has it done? What are you doing, cunt? The fuck are you doing, cunt?
Oh! Your tank's filled with wine.